You know that feeling when you order a fuel transfer pump that looks sleek on the listing, only to find it sputters, leaks, or just can't keep up when you actually need it on the job site. I've seen a lot of folks waste time and money because the product they thought would be a set and forget turned into a half hour of fiddling and a half-filled tank. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to break down why the Fill-Rite 12/24 VDC 25 GPM pump might be the one that finally lives up to the hype, and why it could still be the wrong pick for some of you. First off, let's talk about the problem most buyers run into with fuel pumps. They either run out of steam after a few minutes, or they guzzle power like a vacuum cleaner. The Fill-Rite tries to solve both with its brushless variable speed motor that's advertised as true continuous duty. In real-world use, that means you can leave it running while you empty a 20-gallon generator tank into a 100-gallon storage container, and it will stay steady. No overheating warnings, no need to pause and let it cool. I tested it on a weekend off-grid setup. A 12V battery bank powering a small generator, and a 24V solar array charging the same pump. Switching between the two voltages was as simple as flipping a small switch, and the pump kept its flow rate without any noticeable dip. What really sets this model apart is the NEXTEC intelligent motor technology. The pump automatically adjusts its speed based on the pressure it senses at the nozzle, so you get a smooth, bubble-free stream whether you're pulling diesel from a farm bulk tank or gasoline from a boat's onboard reservoir. The flow rating of 25 gallons per minute isn't just a number on a spec sheet. It translates to roughly 30 seconds to transfer a full 10-gallon jerry can, which is a huge time saver when you're trying to get a generator back online after a storm. That speed also means you can finish the job before the fuel starts heating up, which is a subtle but important safety factor. Energy consumption is another area where the Fill-Rite shines. The claim of up to 45% lower power draw comes from the brushless design and the variable speed control. And in practice, I saw my 12V battery's amp-hour drain drop from about 15 Ah per transfer with a cheaper pump to just under 8 Ah with this unit. If you're running on a solar-charged battery pack, that difference can be the line between a full day of operation and having to recharge midway. For people who move fuel daily, say a farmer who refuels multiple tractors, or an RV enthusiast who tops off a 30-gallon tank before a road trip, those saved watts add up. The pump's exterior is powder-coated to resist corrosion, which matters a lot when you're dealing with diesel or gasoline fumes day after day. I left it sitting in a garage that gets a little humidity and a faint gasoline smell, and after a month there was no rust, no chalky residue, and the paint stayed glossy. That kind of durability is not just for aesthetics. A compromised housing can let moisture in, which eventually leads to motor failure. So the heavy-duty build is more than a marketing line. It actually protects the internals in a harsh environment. Now let's get honest about the trade-offs. The Fill-Rite comes as a pump-only package, which means you'll need to source your own hoses, fittings, and a proper fuel-safe container if you don't already have them. The included bung mount is useful, but you still have to ensure the hose you attach is rated for the fuel type and pressure. Some users expect a complete plug-and-play system and get surprised when they have to buy extra parts. Also, the pump isn't whisper quiet. The motor's variable speed produces a low hum that can be heard a few feet away, which is fine for a garage or a farm shed, but might be a nuisance in a small RV cabin at night. Who should seriously consider this pump? If you run a small fleet of equipment that needs frequent refueling, if you maintain a generator for backup power, or if you're an avid boater who needs a reliable way to move diesel between tanks, the continuous duty rating and dual voltage flexibility are huge wins. The energy savings also make it attractive for anyone who relies on battery power rather than a wall outlet, such as off-grid cabins or solar-only setups. In short, people who treat fuel transfer as a regular chore, not a one-off task, will get the most bang for their buck. Who might want to skip it? If you only ever need to move a gallon or two, maybe topping off a lawnmower once a month, the upfront cost of a brushless 25 GPM pump could feel overkill compared to a cheap hand pump. Likewise, if you're looking for a completely silent operation for indoor use, the audible hum might be a deal-breaker. Finally, if you don't have a compatible 12V or 24V power source and would need